already. So, 189, 567, and 21. That's interesting. Oh, I know now. I'm using the wrong software. No, I don't want to do that either. Oh, that's why it's not right. I got to go here. I'm sorry, just give me a minute. I used the wrong stuff. No, I can't. I have to use this. I'm using the wrong. I'm not supposed to be using this because it doesn't go with this record. So, this. Now we're fixing to go out of it. Hello? Let me just start over. What's the three numbers again? 189. Maybe you dragged it again. That's probably some go fast. 189. What? 567. Now, the 9, the 7, and the 7. What number comes to mind with 9, 7, and 7? 3. Yep. 3 will go into 27, won't it? 3 will go into 9, won't it? You got to know your multiplication tables. 3 will go into 27. So we can either use 13 or we can use 3. I'm going to use 3 just to see. If 3 doesn't go into it, then chances are 13 will. Okay? So let me just see what happens with 3. Because I can divide a single digit a whole lot better than I can divide a double digit. So I'm going to see what happens. 3 will go in, I'm going to put a 3 here. 3 will go into 18 how many times? And 3 will go into 9. So that's doable. 3 will go into 5. That'll leave 26. 3 will go into 26. 8. That'll leave 27. That'll go in. 3 will go into 21 7 times. 3 will go in there 2 times, leave 27. So yes, 3 will go into all 3. Or you could check it by doing what? If you look at your sheet, what does your sheet tell you in the book to see if a number is divisible by 3? 9 and 8 is what? 18. Will 3 go into 18? 7, 6, 13, 18. Yes. 3, 10, 18. So you can do it that way. Now don't act like y'all don't know what I'm talking about. I showed y'all that sheet. Y'all suck. What page was it on? Somebody tell me. Thank you. Turn to page 211. Throw it in the floor. Don't even listen to me. Equals. So you add up those and they're divisible by 3. And add those up and add those up. If they're divisible by 3, then you combine 3 and 3. I think so because 3 is multiple of 6. So here we go. 3 will go into 18 6 times. 3 will go in there 3 times. 3 will go into 5 1 time. That leaves 26. 8 times. That leaves 27. 9. 3 will go into 21 7 times. 3 will go into 8 2 times. That'll leave us 27. And I think these are divisible by 9 by 3. 9, 17, 18. 9 and 18. Yeah, number 3. 3 will go into 63. Well, 2, 1. 3 will go into 18. 6, 3. You got that right there. Please tell me what. And 3 will go into 7 2 times. That'll leave 12 4 times and 3. 3, 3. Let's go. 6 and 3 is 9. So yes, 3 again. And number 7. 3 will go into 63. 1 time. And 243, 8 and 1. Real math stops. Why? Not there. 7 will go into 7 and 21. 7 won't go in there. Well, 3 will go into 21 and 81. No, it won't. It won't go into 7. So I think the real math stops. So that first one, whatever it's called, is 27. 3 times 3 times 3. And I'm going to keep on going. 7. I'm sorry, what? Yeah, whatever it's called. Yeah, I always get it mixed up. Thank you. 7, 1, 3, and can we divide 7 into 81? No, so you just bring it down. 3, bring down to 1, 27. And I'm going to do something here that I'm running out of room. And you can do it if you want to. What is 27? 3 to the what? Third power. So I'm going to write 3 to the third power right here. And then I'll give me a 1, a 1, and a 1. Now you can write down 3 3s if you want to. Use that room, I don't. Alright? I usually don't do that. So, my other number, the big number, the smallest number that these 3 will go into is 3 to the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. 3 to the seventh times 7. Well, 3 to the seventh is easy. Because 3 to the fifth is 32. No, it's not. I'm sorry. That's 2 to the fifth. Sorry. That's a VA number. So you do it on your calculator. I have no idea what it is. Somebody do 3 to the second power. I'm sorry, what? I ain't Rain Man. There's 3,246 toothpicks in the box. Y'all got a calculator? What? Well, y'all got them on your phone. No, I did not. I said if you're going to use your cell phone, use it in the what? Hallway. Why y'all gonna give me a hard time? Go in the hallway and use your calculator. 2187. What? And that's your numbers. Let's go back and check it. See if we got it right. Okay, Jan, you're not supposed to talk anymore. Okay, just don't talk. Just don't talk anymore. Just be quiet. Just be quiet. What was the answer? 15,309. I ought to give you all a fraction of those three denominators. Actually, you could do it. You could say, how many times does 189 go into it? You find 189, and, that's yucky. You can't do that one. All right, let me go to the handy dandy problem. Where's my mouse? There we go. Well, it disappeared on us. Where's Squibby? I don't see it. Oh, there's one. Oh, well, I'm sorry. You say 15, I bet it's going to pull up a different problem. That's all right, we'll do a different one. Is that it? We got 27. We feel good about ourselves. And 51 and 87. 15,309. Excellent. We got excellent on that one. I think I want to do similar questions because what happened to my similar question? It should. Yeah, right here. Well, we need to check on that. All right, try that one. Well, do you remember which one it was? All you got to do is hit a button. All you got to do is hit a button. Y'all will not hit that button for nothing. Oh, okay. It's just hard. What? So you can do fractions. Yeah, blow it up. Might help if you could sit in front of the screen. We'll put it up short bus size. I rode short bus for 2 weeks. I thought that was a cool bus. That little bus rode up in my, rolled up on my mama goes, what are you on that bus for? They told me to get on this bus. That might have been after I caught the jack-o'-lantern on fire. Varennes fire alarms went off. The whole Varennes school evacuated. Yeah. Looks like, well, 25 will go into 40, not 16,000. 5 will go into 40, 8,000. And then 5 won't go into 64, will it? No, you can't use 5. No, you can't use 5. You got to be able to go into all three. That's why I suggest using 2 as much as you can, and then when you get it down to smaller numbers, then you can see. It looks like you can use 2 for a good bit. Yeah, 3 or 4 times. Southwood was next to it. Huh? Both? It was chained up and all the windows were blocked up like a prison. Back in the day. Now they got the windows, got windows and they, yeah, it's a nice school now. It's pretty nasty. I just didn't like. I don't know. I think the louvers over the windows and the chains on them. I didn't like that. When you looked out of the windows at Southwood, all you could see was straight down. You couldn't see anything. You could just see straight down because the louvers were like this, and you couldn't see, and it was just like a prison. It was. It's nothing like it is now. My daughter went to Southwood right before Robert Anderson opened up. She went 1 year, I think. All right, y'all ready? No. I told you we were going to spend time on there because nobody reads my room, not me when I do that. They think it's important. All right. Most of the time, we will see this book too. They're easy. 20, 40, 64, 2, 10, 20, and 32. 2, 5, 4, 21. 10, thank you, and 16. Real math stops. Why? Because all three do not have a similar common factor. 5 and 10, 5, yes. But not 5 will go to 16. 2, 10 and 16. 2 will go to 10 and 16. 2 won't go to 5. You got to have all three. And once you get there, real math stops. So I'm going to divide by 5. And that'll give me a 1, a 2, and 16 comes home. 2, 1, 1, 8. And what is 8? 2 to the what? Third power. And that gives you a 1, a 1, and a 1. Okay, 2 to the third. I'm going to need this. Why am I going to need this below? That's a what? That's a 10. So I'm going to mark that out. So I'm going to use that 10. That's so easy. 2 to the third is 8. Or I'm just going to do 2 to the third. That's 8. Times 2, 16. Times 2 is 32. Times 2 is 64. Times 10, 640. And 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Yes, ma'am. Say again, 2 will go into 16. Yes, but 2 won't go into, oh my gosh. No, I'm sorry. I don't know how you got it. Yeah, but I did that right here. You might have a different configuration right here. Well, you got an 8 right here, right? That's right. Yeah. two in there somewhere. Let's see if I'm right, I don't know. If I'm wrong, then I'll say I'm wrong. Which one's that one? That was first one, A. And let's say 640. Yeah, so what you need to do is just do it again on another page. Just turn the page over and do it again because you got an error somewhere. Really? No, this instructor did not do that. Okay, hold on a minute. These teachers that set up these courses, they need to. This is 5.1, right? There. That should fix it. Remind me to change those on each one. I mean, I'm not going to do 5.2 right now because we shouldn't be doing 5.2. So now let's go do 5.1. Let's see what it says now. So in just a minute, we're going to do a fraction again. All right, we just did that one. There we go. Is that the same? Let me just type it in. What are they? 8, 640. Ooh. Did we do that one? All right, we'll try that one then. Can y'all see it okay? I need some green sandpaper. Is that green? I thought it was. Huh? I was just kidding. I was just. No, I haven't started painting my fingernails yet. Um, no, no. I'm just trying to get y'all to laugh a little bit. Yeah, I just. Who teaches your government class? What does it have on rate my professor at the bottom? You didn't even go look. Oh, she did. Political science? Yeah. Political science is when you study government. Yeah, that's political science. Probably TSC 225 or something like that. 215, 201, 205, something like that. I'm gonna come out there and listen to y'all's conversation. think they're probably good. Partner, y'all in lab together or something? Ooh. Oh, I'm sorry for your death. Golly, that's a concept. I need to send that. I need Doug's to do that. That's it. Well, 9 and 7 is what? 16, right? Plus 2 is 18. All right, that one's divisible by 3. 9 and 1 is 10, plus 8, that's 18. That's divisible by 3. And 3 and 7 is 10, 18. All three of those are divisible by 3. What? Because you're used to dividing by 2s. Let's just quit and not do this. When the going gets tough, what do we do? Quit. Good job. All right. So 3 go into 29 7 times. 3 times 7 is, I'm sorry, 9 times. That's 27. 93. Is that right? No, 99. Okay? And 3, okay, 297. 729. Now, we also know from the previous problem that 3 will go into all of these. Usually, when you use 3, chances are 3 is going to be used in there again. What'd you say? Another 3. And real math stops. Okay? We have what? That's 27. Okay, now, for those that are listening, we're going to keep on going and divide by 11. It'll give me a 1, a 3, and 81 comes down. I'm going to go over here and put a 3. And that'll give me a 1, and a 27. And then 3, 1, 1, and 9. 3, 1, 1, and 3. And 3, 1, 1, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 3 to the 7th. I'm going to just put 3 to the 7th times 11. And y'all can do it on your calculator. Okay? What? I mean, that's a BA number. That's fine. Big attitude number, yeah. I used to use the A word, and somebody got offended, and my department head said I can't use it anymore. I said it's in the Bible. Like I said, a big pansy. The United States turned into a big pansy. So we type it in, 27. Anybody get that second number? 24057. That one, let me just ask you, what's this one? What number would you use on this one to divide by? 5. You wanna do this one, or we'll do this one? No, we'll do it, that's fine. Go ahead, do it. Probably one I'll put on y'all's test. I'll put that one on. Oh, well, okay, I'll put it on y'all's test then. Don't worry, you're gonna have about 5,000 of these on your test. No, or whatever it spits out. It'll there with 6 problems. That way, nobody can say I did it because I didn't like you or something. That's what it is. I'm gonna put 5,000 on yours. I need to put 2 and 6 on them, don't I? That way y'all can waste y'all's money. Just pay me to give y'all an A. Yeah, that's what you've been given. That's what you've been used to. No. No. I suck. I'm a bastard. I know. You don't need a calculator for this. You don't need a calculator to do division in here. Now, yes, you need a calculator to raise 15 to the 3rd power. Yeah, you do need a calculator. I told you, I will tell you when you need a calculator. You need a calculator to do that. You don't need a calculator to divide 5 into these numbers. Side of the room. I don't know. I don't know anything. 78, 125. I run out of room because I got to blow it up and short those 5. 5. 5 will go into 13 2 times. That'll leave 37, which will be 7 times. So 25 will be 5 times. 5 will go into 6 1 time. That'll leave 1 left over. 5 will go into 18 3 times. That'll leave 3 left over. 37 will be 7 times. 2 left over. 25 will be 5. 5 will go into 7 1 time. That'll leave 28. 5 times. That'll leave 31. 6 times will leave 12. 2 times and 1. Y'all check me. 5. Let's see. 5 will go into 7 1 time. That'll leave 28. 5 will go into 28 5 times. Leave 3. 31. 6 times. Leave 12. 5 will go into 12. 1 5 6 what? Because y'all messing me up now. 5 will go into 7 1 time. That'll leave 28. 5 will go into 28 5 times. That'll leave 3. 31. 5 will go into 31 6 times. That'll leave 12. 5 will go in there 2 times. That'll leave 2 left over. 25. 5. That's a 2 5 right there. This thing doesn't like very well. Now, all of them end in 5, so they're divisible by 5. 5 will go into 27 5 times. Leave 2. 25. 5. 5 will go into 13 2 times. That'll leave 37. Be 7 times. 25 will be 5. 5 will go into 15 3 times. 5 will go into 6 1 time. Leave a 1. That'd be 12 2 times and 1 time. Again, did I do that again? Sorry. That's supposed to be, what is that? Let me look at it. I can't read it. Okay, 31 25. 275 is 55, and 3125 is what? Okay, so the real math stops because 5 is divisible here, but not there. 11 is divisible here, but not there. So chances are 625 is this one. So 11, go in there 1 time, 5 times, and 10 times. 5, 1, 1, 625 would be 125. 5, 1, 1, 25. 5, 1, 1, 5. And 5, 1, 1, 1. So 5, this is going to be a VA number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 to the 7th power times 11. And somebody give me that number, because that's going to be a big number. 8 what? 859. 875. Oh, I multiplied enough times. Okay. 125. So these two numbers. 125 and 859 is 830. Huh? All right, let's look at number 16. See what it looks like. Oh, I don't care about the word problems. I want to do these. I know. I want to do these because these are the ones that I'm going to test you on. I'm not going to do. Is that the only one? 15? You're kidding me. No, 16 is a word problem. You mean that's all that they put on here? Oh no. No, no, no. Go to study plan. You're going to find some more. I don't know why these people. See, I didn't design this course, so hold on a minute. Just hold on. Let me find my. Where's my chapter content? Let me go here. What was that? Was that a hiccup? No hiccup in the class. All right, study plan. These 4 number series. There we go. Now we're talking. Prime factorization, yeah. Did they give you any of those? They better. All right. Now I'm going to integrate 2 lessons in today. We're going to start with this one. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah. 10 and 14. Now, that's something simple, but the reason I'm starting low, I'm starting for a reason. Okay? 10 and 14, I'm going to go to the whiteboard. And move over 10 and 14. And instead of, I'm going to put 10 and 14 right up here. But I'm going to go down here and I'm going to put 1 over 10 plus 3 over 14. this into two. We're doing 5.1 here. And we're moving 5.3, I think, here. I think it's 5.3. I'm going to come back to 5.3, but it's not that big a deal. I don't want to skip a section, and I don't want to start another section, and then you forget 5.1, and we need to do it in 5.3. So just chill at 5.3 right now. All right. These two, you need to find a common denominator. When you add or subtract fractions, you have to find a common denominator. The common denominator is the same as the GCD. GCD, right? GCD? LCM. Okay, the LCM. The LCM and the common denominator are the same number. So we need to find the LCM. I still look like the LCM. First number. So here we go. Here we're going 10, 5 times, 10, 11 times. I don't care about the real math stop because I just want one. That's what I want. I don't care about that first number. What it is. Today's common divisor, I don't care about it in this section. I don't care about it. So 5, 1 is 7, 7, 1 is 1. So this is our common denominator, which is 7, right? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to put a 70 right here. 70 right here. And now, when you get the common denominator of fractions, you have to convert the numerator. As soon as you find a common denominator, you have to convert the numerator. So here we go. 10 will go into 70. How many times? 7 times 1 is 7. Follow the arrows. I know some people, and you just got to be patient now, because there's some people that I know that always have problems with this, so they're trying to be as slow as they can. So we find the common denominator. Once you find the common denominator, you rewrite it as the common denominator, and then you convert the numerator. You say 10 will go, and you need to write this thing on it if you don't know, goes into 70 7 times. And then you say to yourself, 7 times 1 is 7. Some people do it with a big Z. Some people do this. 1 over 10 plus 3 over 14. And they put the 70 here. Some people do that. And that's fine. That's great. So 10 will go into 70 7 times. 7 times 1 is 7. I'm not making it. 14 will go into 70, and this is the great part. You don't even need to know. All you got to do is go over here and mark out 14. How many times? See? Now tell me why people can't do that. Because they don't know how to do this. Okay, watch. 14 will go into 70 how many times? Come over here and mark out 14. What's 14? 2 times what? 7. How many times? 5 times. Huh? Because you got to use 5 to multiply by this. Well, you know 14 will go into 70. Okay, how many times? 5 times. So 14 times 5 is 70. You did that while ago, and I did that. One of those takes some time. No, I found the common denominator, 70. Okay, 70. So 14 will go into 70 5 times. 5 times 3 is what? Now you just add the 2 together. 7 is 15, 22, 20, huh? 22 over 7. And you can, I don't care about reducing, okay? You get that, I'm going to be happy. 2 over 35 or 11 over 35. That's how you do fractions. We're gonna do 5,000 of them, so let's do a nerd. Let's go back to the right here and pick out two more. Okay, hold on, let me go on. You have to answer. Oh, that ain't working for you. No, wait a minute, I know why. There we go. All right, 15 and 18. I'll make up one while you're doing it. 15 and 18. Find the common whatever. 15 and 18. And then I'll make up a fraction. All right, while y'all are doing that one, I'm going to take a little, not this tiny blue or anything. All right, Miss Brown. Burkhart. Burton. Byers. Byers. Dawson is here. Both of y'all are here, but one of you's not on the roll. I'll fix that after class. Eastridge. Lowy. Martin is here. Shoemaker. Story. And Miss Telford. Miss Telford ain't been here the last couple of days, right? She's all right. No, I'm off the clock right now. Let me check my text.
Not right.
No. Three are going there, 5 and 6. Three are going to 5. I didn't know three. Oh, you okay? I see what you're doing. Yeah. 3 are going to 5. Bring it down. Three are going to 6. Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yep. What I've been playing. Okay, now divide by 5.
So I messed it up then.
Yeah, you messed it up. You big time messed it up. So
Okay, so
I quit. Just throw your pencil down. There
I
you
give
go.
up. Okay, now so this is a 2 now? On the 5 now?
So put a 5 there, or 2, it doesn't matter. Okay, 5 was on there one time. Turn this down and divide by 2. Because that's the way you do it. And divide by 2 and this is 1. So it's going to be 10 times 6 is 9. This is 9 right here. No, I haven't done it. I'll do it here in just a second.
10 times 9 now.
I mean, no, I didn't know. If you've done all that right, it'd be 10 times 9. Y'all get 90? Okay, you did it right. After you threw your pencil down, sometimes it takes a good throwing of the pencil. I used to throw my pencil all the time. People used to get so mad at me. I sucked. be done. I'm Hubert, nice to meet you. Well, that's what I'm here for. Get back to where I was. Hope it don't mess up. No, it doesn't. Three. So five and six. Five. One and six. Two. Three. And three. Oh, we got a five in there. That's good. 3 times 3 is 9 times 10 is what? 90. No, she's up there. 90 and 90. So here we go. Let's do it. We don't have a calculator. We have no idea how many times 18 will go into 90. So we go over here, and we take. Remember, we don't know. So I'm trying to show you the trick. Well, you don't want to work with you. 3 and mark out 18. 3 times what? Or 2 times. There we go. How many times? What's left? 5 times. Now I gotta get in the booth, and my phone's behind, so I had to blow this thing up so much. Hold on. 18 will go into 90. How many times? 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. Yeah. What's confusing? What's 6 times 3? That means whatever's left is what you multiply. 18 will go in. 18 divided into. Y'all are not, I don't think y'all listen. 18 divides into 90 how many times? You don't know. So you go over here and you say, take out the 18. How many times? 5. So 5 times 5 is what? And then you say, how many times will 15 go into 90? You don't know. So take out the 15. How many times? 6 times. 6 times 7 is? And your answer is 67. There you go. You can do this all day long. I'm off the clock. No, I'm off the clock. Well, I don't like to use, remember we're doing prime factorization. You gotta be careful with that because sometimes they ask for just prime numbers. That's why I don't do the 6 at all. But that's up to you, but I'd be careful. Be careful because if they ask for prime factorization, 6 is not a prime number. Okay? Let's do another. No, I'm not going too fast. Okay, I'll go slow. I'll try to go slow on the next one. Let's try another. Let me hit this one. Okay, 40 and 900. And you can't see it. Because it's blown up. I'm sorry. No, I'm not going to now. 40 and 900. I'll just write it down. 40 and 900. Yeah, I'm going to give you a fraction. time is this class over? I'm gonna give y'all plenty of time on this. About 7 minutes. And I'm gonna run through it real quick, so you won't be able to keep up. Let me show you Pennsylvania. You can throw it down hard enough. There you go. Needs to have a little pop to it. Let me get you caught up here. It's gonna be real. Will be 2 to 25. We got 10. There's 10. There's a 10. So, got 100. And then what's 3 times 3? And what's 9 times 2? And then 18 times 100? Y'all can do that. Now you see why people think they're fractions. People can't do fractions because they're not used to doing units. Now, you don't need a calculator because, I'm sorry, all of you should know that 900 will go into 1800. How many times? 2 times. Okay? Now, I'm not going to do that one. 2 times 301 is, now this one you may not know. Okay? So you go over to your handy dandy chart and you take out 40. What is 40? 8 times what? What is 8 times 5? Isn't it 12? 9 times 5, which is 45 times. Now, look at this. I'm going to write this out. 45 times 21. I'm going to put that right here. Because most of you are used to a calculator on this. Don't have to. Because, what's 45 times 2? 90. So 45 times 20 would be 900. Right? And 1 times 45 would be 945. And now you're ready to subtract. How much? 3, there goes 1800. Now, how many of you could do these 2 fractions before you walked into this class? You don't have to raise your hands or anything, but I'm trying to show you how powerful this is. This right here, if you learn how to do it, can unlock all of this. Or you can live in a ditch. All right, y'all keep working on 5.1 and 5.3. I think 5.3 is fractions, is it not? Well, I'm going to have to go through. Don't do any of the homework yet. 5.3, I'm sorry. Don't do any 5.3 yet because I'm going to go through because they have it. This is, underwater firefighting homework y'all are doing. I'm gonna have to fix this. It's gotta be much more difficult. Somebody set y'all up with some easy homework. No, keep doing 5.1.